Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see a next question in our LeetCode 75 list. Till now, we have completed the stack, and this is the second question in queue. And let's see what the question is. Let me take you to the screen first. And yeah, here it is a Dota2 Senate. Basically, what the question says is there in the world of Dota 2, there are two types of parties. One is Radiant and one is Dire. You can assume that there are two soldiers. One is Radiant, one is from Radiant party, one is from Dire party, and there is a war. There is a war between them, and at the end they decided that they will do voting, and the voting for this change is basically what the voting kind of will be here. Ki one kind of radian or one kind of senate can ban anyone's right in one round. He will ban, or he or she that basically that soldier will ban all the right of next person or next or anyone in that round. Okay, and or either that soldier will ban all the rights, or he will announce the victory. He will do either of it. Okay, and what it says, ki we have given a string that basically represent ki one character, that is if it is r, then it represent ki it is a radiant soldier. If it is d, it represent it is a dire soldier. And what it says ki then if there are n senators, the size of the given string will be n. Okay, the total number of radiant plus the total number of dire is equals to n. That is the string size. And they says ki the round based procedure starts from here they have said this. The round based procedure starts from the first senator to the last senator in the given order. This procedure will last till end of the voting. All the senators who have lost their rights will be skipped during the procedure. It means basically, let's say ki first one is radiant. Here in this first example, the as he is the first one in the queue or in that senate's string, we can take it as a queue. That is the first one will first come. And we can and what the radiant will do, ki if the radiant type soldier come, now there is a second type, that is a dare come. Now he was the first one. You can assume ki they get splitted in one kind of they're in two groups. And now the first will come, and as soon as he will come, he will decide ki he will kill the next person. Or that kill means what here the definition of kill is uh, banning the right of someone. So that any soldier, why he will ban the rights of their their soldier only. Like r won't ban right of r will ban right of d. Okay, so here r and d, when we split it, we'll see here ki at what index it was. As r was the first, he will be the first person there. And as soon as the next person come, he will kill him. I mean, he will ban all its rights. So now the next d will not have any, he will not have any rights. And he will not gonna proceed in further rounds or further voting. So now here what I have said, all the senators who have lost their rights will be skipped during the procedure. So now D can't do anything. Now the R who banned the right of dies, so he will announce the victory now. Yes, I am the one that is who won it. Then we have RDD. First one came R. Okay, R came. He killed D. Okay, he killed or he banned all the rights of D. Then what? Then after R, he will be that it is a round one. Okay, basically what they have saying here ki round one and round two means, in round one all the soldiers, all the radiant, all the diets are there in the list or in that string, will be considered first. And the one who remained, they will participate in the next round. So here in RDD, we could have said ki if R has come first, let's say ki R came first and then D came, then R killed D, then again D came, then R killed D. No, it's not like this. What happens here ki R came, he kills D, then okay, D gone, then we have another D, but it is a round first. In round first, R killed one D, R lost his right, like whatever they have made the rules, that there are two, that there are two rules: either he can ban, either he can announce the victory in one round. So his first one, that to ban someone, that's complete, so now he can participate in next round only. So what happens here ki its position, which first, which was the zero, now in next round, it means ki we have to consider it in next round. In next round means what? After performing all n, like when all n senators perform voting, after we will consider the next ones who lived or who have their rights. So first R had the position 0, but when he came and killed someone or ban the right of the next person, then he will be at last. So we can say ki R plus 3 is equals to it will be now 3. And in that case, when he bans D, he goes to, its position will be updated, and it will be here now, and there will not be here anything. And what will happen here ki this D already gone cause of that first star. Let me do this again. We have first RDD, right? Here we have first RDD. In first round, R came, at that time its index was 0. Then we have D, and that time its index is 1. R bans D, so D gone. And when he bans, now he can participate in the next round, so we have to add 3, which is 3. And now we have to update its position also. Now it will be at last, and the D was gone, and this R also, this R went to the next, like last. So now we have D here, so D will come. And okay, there is no one in this round, so okay, he will be there. Now if for the next round he will be the first one, and R came, so he kills R, and only D will be remain. Okay, now this position also get updated, that is this position will be D. Now it was 0 1 0 1 2, 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, he will be at 5 position, but there are, as there are no R's, D will be winner, that is Dyer will be the winner. Okay, so this was the question, like this was the approach that I can tell you, that is the optimal I could think ki in that, that could not be, that's not the optimal, basically that what they have said here ki even round, the first one come, and he kills or bans right of another type of senate, and then he will be he can participate in next round. So we have to update his position, like how to like how the thought that updating the position has came, like uh, what they have said ki in voting they will come one by one. We can say ki it can be a queue, like it can be a queue, right? It's not it can be, it is a queue. Who was the first one, will come first, and the next one, if it is his party, then he will come to the next of the first one. Then there is a one who is not from his party, then he will kill this one. And now as he killed this one, he can't participate in this round. He will be go to the next, he will be participate in next round. So to participate in next round, what we can consider it, what we consider first, we know ki all senators gonna participate in first round. So all senators means what? There are young senators. So here her, or like that senators, the one who killed another, the killed one will be gone. The one who killed, that one can participate after a young senators. So I update his position that now you go to the last, to the last of the queue, and then came. that we can do here. So yeah, that was my approach, and that's what they have said actually. And how we can write this in code? We can, as I said, ki it is kind of queue. So that why can we do ki, let's take a two queue of R and D. Because if we take just first queue, like if we take just R, and we say ki, like for just one queue, and we are keeping out that R, it can be possible that we have a multiple R, we can have multiple D. So it is kind of difficult to um consider them as who killed or not. Like this is what I was saying, ki R, if I have this kind of thing, then D, and I took R, then okay, then I have to, how I can say ki I have to keep it at that position only, or I have to consider it at for the next round. So for that, what I will do here ki I will first form their two groups, R group and D group. So I will keep them in a queue, cause the first one will come, like we have to maintain their positions, right? Cause the whoever the first was there, he will kill the next one who is from opposite party. So to form a two group, I am considering it in queue, because here the first come will get first, so that is first one will can kill the next one. Like first one was there in queue will come, and will be either get killed or either will kill to next one. Okay, so yeah, so that was the approach, and we'll take a 2q, that is we'll take the RQ, and we'll take a DQ. Here RQ means it will store the indices of radiant. It is a radiant only, na? Okay, it is radiant. It will store the radiant, and DQ means dire. That is, it will store dire. Okay, so let's take the size of the synapse first, and synapse dot size, and we'll traverse it for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and we'll form first two group. Okay, if that synapse is radiant, then keep it in synaptic, like synaptic queue, that I is equals to R. Then we'll keep it in synaptic queue, that is synaptic group, like we can say rq dot push I, else it is from dir, so we'll push dq dot push I. Okay, so now what we will do here, now the actual game start. Like we form two groups, everyone has their indices, that is everyone has their number, who was the first, who was the second, who was the third, everyone is there. Now just we formed a two group. Now we will see ki while both queue aren't empty, that till then we will travel, and also RQ isn't empty and DQ isn't empty. Till then we'll just pop out whatever the R's index, like we can say ki R position, RP is equals to RQ dot front, and for dash position, DP is equals to DQ dot front, and then we will pop out them, like we have to pop out them, right? Because for that round their work will be over here. Like for that round, either they will get, he will or he that Sinate will get killed, or will can take participate in next round based on its position, or we can say its turn. Whoever the turn was less, like whoever the position was less, if RP was less, let me take out them first, like RQ dot pop also, that RQ dot pop, we have to pop them out, and DQ dot pop. And if my radiant came first, that is R's radiant position is less than dire's position, then what we have to do here, keep, if it is less, then radiant will kill dire, and he will be there in that, he can take participate in next round, while he can take participate in next round, and for that he have to go in that queue, in that group again. For but this time, in that, when he will enter in that group, his position will be updated, that whatever the current position was there, that is RP plus N, because after N senates perform their voting, then he can participate. Okay, either R's position will be less or Di's position will be less. If DP was the less than RP, they can't be equal. At one position, only one senatus can be there. So when DP is less, like when either RP is less than DP or DP is less than RP. So when DP is less than RP, then DP, that is Dyer will kill Radiant, and he will enter in Dyer's queue at the end. So same thing will happen, but what we have to do here, key it's dire q and it's dire's position, that's dp plus n. And at the end, what we will check here, key whoever there are uh, whoever are there uh, where last one will be there, right? Key the if rq isn't empty or dq isn't empty. Okay, if rq isn't empty, it means rq wins, that is radiant win. Rq isn't empty, then we have to return radiant, that is radiant win, that radiant kill all the dyers and now he win. And if dq isn't empty, then we have to return dyer, so we will return dyer. So yeah, let's run it and submit it, and we can see it get accepted. What is the time complexity here? We can see here the this for loop will take big of n time complexity, and this will again take big of n time complexity, because one is killing other. So at every round, number of synergies will get reduced. Okay, and it basically like now everyone killing other one, and the total number of killing and taking it out and getting it last position, that all these things will happen only n times, because there are only n soldiers. So this will also take big of n time. So time complexity is big of n here, that is time complexity is big of n. And the space complexity for this is also big of n, because we use two queues here, that's extra time extra space complexity. Space complexity is big of n. We can cross check here also, analyze time complexity, and the time complexity is big of n. And analyze space complexity is also big of n. So yeah, that's all for today's guys, and we'll meet in next video, and till then, bye bye.